Hi guys, thanks for coming back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a closet tour. Maybe I'll show you some of my favorite things I've been using and wearing. And I wanted to kind of guide you through this kind of renovation process that I kind of created for this little nook in my bedroom. I don't have a walk-in closet, but I kind of transformed this area into my little oasis walk-in closet, I guess you can say. So I wanted to show you some items that I use to kind of organize and to create this space. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this photo of before picture. I'm going to look at my phone and I'll pop a picture here for you guys, but it's horrendous. I mean, I was overflowing with handbags on top. I had clothes everywhere, mismatched hangers, which I hated, and just shoes, random shoes just thrown on the bottom. And that was as organized as I got. I really didn't know where things were, and I really didn't realize how much I had. So it helped me purge a little bit. It helped me get organized and clean, and hopefully this helps me pick out better outfits and outfits faster in the morning. So as you can see, I don't have a walk-in closet. I just had this small closet area that my kind husband allowed me to take over. I had this accordion door. Mind you, we rent this house. We do not own it, so I can't make, adjustments. So the accordion door never worked. So it was kind of always open. And as you can see in this photo, I kind of took it off after a while to open up the space. And I just had my laundry baskets on the side, and I had just empty walls. So I figured, that I can add shelves. I can kind of create this space, which I absolutely love right now. I'm so excited. So I wanted to share everything with you guys. Are you guys ready? All right, welcome to my closet. The first thing I want to talk about is you're going to want something to sit on. So I have this cute little cube. It's from Chillowitch. I usually just add my handbag that I'm using for the week or for the day. I kind of use it as a resting place, but it is great to kind of just put on your shoes, or if you need to just sit down for a minute and think about what you need to wear, right? You got somewhere to sit. So I advise, if you have somewhere to place it, I advise having some kind of seat. So I love having that here. The second thing that is new to my wardrobe area is this bookcase. It is the Billy bookcase. It's in white, and I love the Billy bookcase from IKEA. Sorry, I didn't tell you it was from IKEA. It's from IKEA. I love this because it's customizable. So you can basically customize this later on. You could customize it to whatever needs you need. You could change out the shelvings to whatever size you want. There's little notches on the side here. You could change the shelves shorter, wider. If you have tall boots you want to use on the bottom, you can take a shelf out. You can add shelves. You can actually put doors on it. But I like the look of it at the moment. I love the look of it just being open. On the top two shelves, I put handbags. I love to kind of see my handbags. I mean, don't we buy handbags to see and use and wear? So I put all the black ones on the top, and then on the second shelf, I did from light to kind of dark in color, which I love. I think it looks really pretty. On the next shelf, I did shoes, and I also did light to dark by color. And kind of mixed up some pattern in between. As you can see, I have leopard there, I have these Gucci ones here, and my red boots there. Another detail that I used here is that I had this little space here, so I started hanging hats. I don't have many, but I started hanging two hats. I wear this one more in the summer, and I wear this more in the winter. And I just kind of use these hooks that just kind of go on the wall. They stick on the wall. I think I got them at the dollar store, and voila! You have a little space where you can hang your hats. And so let's look over here at this part of the closet. This is where I pretty much keep all my clothes. All right, so this is the section that I've had in the past. It's just one bar. I organized my clothes from light to dark. I'm not sure. Can you see the light to dark in the video? Mm-hmm. So light, you got the white, pink, gray, blue, burgundy, black. So it goes from like white, pink, beige, blue, burgundy, reds into black. Right now it's set up for like fall and winter. And then once I change over to the season, everything will be from like spring, summer. So right now it's really packed because I have a lot of seasons in here. Up here is where I store my boxes. So I just kind of find that it's organized a little bit better by boxes up here. I also store a couple more handbags that couldn't fit over here. And this is another one that I've recently been using and loving, this handbag. This is a Fendi. I've showed this before. You guys have seen my handbags. So I keep some bags on the side here. In the bins, I just have like folded sweaters. You can see here. And in this basket or box, I store more of like clutches, foldable handbags, anything that doesn't fit up here. Like I think my Balenciaga is in here because it's really flat and you can't really hang it. So again, I like to coordinate by color, and I like to use these thin hangers. Let's see, what's one of my favorite pieces? Let me see. Oh, I love this, and I can't wait to wear it. I haven't even worn this yet, but this is by Walter Baker. And the way you wear it, it's going to be really odd to see, but the way you wear it, it's like a dress. It's a dress shirt, but it's more of like a modern twist on a dress shirt. So basically it kind of hangs off one side, which I thought was really cool. It doesn't have any buttons, which is kind of odd, but it threads through this way. So it's more of like a wrap shirt. So I'm excited to wear that. This is probably something I'm really excited to wear. And another top that I just got, since you're here, why not show you what I got? I got this from Anthropologie. It kind of looks big, but I love the fact that it goes off the shoulder. So I would be wearing it more off the shoulder, and it's a little bit more oversized, tucked into like high-waisted pants. And this is by Maeve by Anthropologie. And it was on sale. You guys need to go pick it up. What else? That's it. So I like to use these kind of huggable hangers. They're like felt and really thin. And when you use thin hangers, you can add a lot more clothes. And the idea right now is hopefully I stick to it. But if I buy more clothes, some clothes gotta go. Like I'm not buying any more hangers. I'm just gonna I can only just keep what I have hangers for, if that makes sense. So, and then on the bottom, you can see that I really cleared out everything, and these are just more extras, I would say. You got extra boots down here, a little shoe rack, and then these are my high boots. I really love these. Believe it or not, these are from Forever 21. I doubt that they're still available, but how cool are these? They're faux, like, croc. And I love them, and they're comfy. So that's it. I'm really excited for this new space in my closet. Again, it was an unused space, and I felt like I needed to show off my wardrobe. I love getting dressed in the morning. I love seeing what I have. As you can tell, I love color. I love handbags. I love clothes. And I'm sure if you're watching this video, you guys love clothes and handbags just like myself. So if you have space, I would say deck it out. Use the most out of your space, and I really love these shelving units by IKEA. I'll link them down below so you guys get an idea of pricing, an idea of size, so you can maybe put them in your space too. So thanks so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys.